got some new gifts, y'all. We got some new gifts. I want to thank Let's Roll for, you know, sending me out this lift, this dolly here. I'm ready to like go ahead and show you, open it up. I'm gonna put it together, let you guys see it. And we're gonna, of course, put EJ on it and so you guys can see how it works. Because what we need a good lift, we need a good jack so we can wash these bikes, do some oil changes or whatever you need to do. Sometimes you just need to store your bike. So you know what? I'm not gonna unbox it on camera because you guys seen that a million times already, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So let's get it started. All right, Sip Squad, so look, we have everything already unboxed here. You have your lift that's here and you have your dolly that's here. They both come packaged separately. Also, you get your certificate here. That is 100% authenticity. Sorry guys. Les Fro really did a good job with packaging. All the tools that you need are your 9/16 socket, 3/4 socket, and a 7/8 socket. You have 4 wheels that come with the lift. Only 2 of them come with the locks on them. So if you prefer to have all 4 of them with locks, you can just order some more wheels offline. But 2 is good enough. So that's a very important step that you do not want to miss. All right, so the grease here is pretty easy to open. It's already pre-cut, so we're gonna grease it on up. Yeah, and I'm very excited for this lift and this dolly here. For me being the first female ambassador for Let's Roll, y'all, I'm excited about this. And thank you to you guys. Like, it's because of y'all that I'm able to do things like this. So, and y'all know I love showing y'all good things to have. And this is necessary. You know, you like to work on your bike or just to store it. Like, this is a good product to have. All right, so we got the boat all greased up. Now we're gonna get it already, put it in the lift here so we can get it under EJ and get him lifted. Oh, that was nice, y'all, get him lifted. All right, y'all, you wanna twist it in until you get resistance so you can't turn it anymore. Because next, you'll need to get your ratchet air and it'll start lifting up, so. Just be careful when you pick this up because it can lift up and you don't wanna pinch your fingers on the side, so. And we want to be careful of this grease that we put up here. And the good thing about it, I don't know if I told you earlier, it's felt underneath here as well. So you don't have to worry about messing up your floors. And of course you have some rubber here, so you don't have to worry about scratching up your bike. So we want to find that center point here. We'll put this underneath there. So make sure we're distributing the weight pretty evenly. That looks pretty centered to me. You might feel uneasy, you feel like it's gonna fall, but it's trying to, you know, trying to stand up. So we have made contact, y'all. So now let's, and already you can see the bike is already starting to lift a little. I'm gonna probably hold my handlebars a little bit because I feel the bike starting to lean up to stand up, but it's just for my own comfort. You necessarily don't have to do that, but I just feel better about it. As you can see, the back tire is already lifted up, already off the floor. And one thing about the dolly, you want to make sure you put it in on the kickstand side. That's another important thing to do. And just like the lift, it also has those rubber little adhesives here to go under your bike so you don't mess up anything. All right, that looks pretty good. So let's lock these wheels down. All right, so now we're gonna let the lift down. I know I manually lifted it up, but I'm gonna use a drill to let it down. I just wasn't comfortable with putting it up with a drill, so. And you just need to let it down enough so you can slide it out. All right, y'all, let's let the fun begin. Gonna unlock the wheels here. But now let's see if I can push it around in my garage and move it where I need it to go. Now I'm pushing the bike. Let me come on this side where I have more space. You wanna make sure you got some clear space when you're moving it around. Of course, it's a big bike, so you wanna make sure you got enough space to move around. I can definitely move it around with ease. There's no struggle with it. I don't feel uneasy with it being up here. It's definitely sturdy enough up here where I can move it around with one hand if I like. But of course, you know I'm gonna use two. Look, when my video, if you haven't seen my video for me washing my bike, I don't have to struggle to wash my back tire now. So I can easily lift it up, wash my back tire, change oil, whatever I need to do. It's up here and I don't have to feel like the bike is up here and it's uneasy or it's gonna fall or anything. If you like to store your bike sitting straight up in your garage because you need more garage space, this is definitely one of the things you can do. And I'm gonna go ahead and spin it around for you guys so you can see. And remember, you do have wheels up here that you can lock down. So if I get it where I want it and I want to lock my wheels down. Okay, y'all, I'm so confident in how sturdy it is. I can get up here and sit on the bike while it's on the dolly. So. I don't feel uncomfortable. I don't feel like I'm gonna fall. I never felt the bike feel like it was gonna fall. If it's easy enough for a woman of my size to do it, it's definitely easy enough for anybody else to do it. So I definitely recommend this if you like to work on your own bike or if you need it for storage. This is definitely a good tool to have in your bike, for your bike rather. So squad, this has been one fun day by giving y'all this demonstration of the Let's Roll lift and dolly stand. Like, it's definitely something you will want to own. It can make your job a lot easier when you're doing things on your bike or just storing your bike.